welcome your partnership. We're here today to deliberate on the next government, not the current government. This current government, Your Excellency, you're not part of the current government. When you spoke to us in the leaders' meeting, you talked about the private sector being an enabler to the economic development. What I would like to reiterate is that as you talk to us about this partnership, we want to be able to tell us what you will be able to do for us when you become the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, because we are 100% sure that you will become the President of Kenya. These are the things that we in our community are prepared to do. And these are the resolutions I hope we'll be able to make today. That everyone seated here today will be able to go back to the grassroots and marshal up all those votes to support your bid to become the 5th President of Kenya. I personally pledge to do that. That is issue number one. Number two, let me appreciate you because you've always stood with small tribes. The only way that we as the Ma people have been recognized is with your state leadership. I want to plead with you that when you become the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, you promote these small nations into becoming or getting into top leadership of the Republic of Kenya. That is what we need. Number three, I want to pledge here that I'm ready to work with you in this new outfit called Azimio la Umoja. The only way we can be united is by us telling you what we can be able to give you. We can stand here and lament that we have been neglected in this government, but we are alive to the fact that you do not play any role. And I want to plead with my brothers and sisters here that let us not demand so much from the 5th. Let us plead with him to consider us because we want employment. We want the private sector of the Maasai nation to thrive. We want our economy, which is the cow economy, to be able to thrive. We are bleeding, Your Excellency. What is happening to our people in Laikipia is something which is bringing tears in our eyes every day. And we do hope that when you become president, because you will become, it is not if, we want to revisit the issue of those lease agreements so that our people can get back what is rightfully theirs. Your Excellency, the law provides a legal mechanism of solving these problems. We will fight in Parliament to ensure that we get that legal process so that our people can be able to be compensated from what was taken from them. I want to end by speaking in Maasai. And I'll say this. Mama Saibolo. Ndogitunu ni na gram tundai. Ore ndogia dokoya na olom. Ore niare na ormena. Ore neuni na enkeba. Ora ger ni godwa te kuna rutinu ni inakata kimponga anolusho. Nigi damo ilchamus. Amono dongule order the kotini patient representation te bunge. Nigi damo isambo loti Laikipia. Nigi damo rendile dongana po ken langa diama. Niki magi dogina dia dolda jalan. Kagora niki asena. Ne abur modwa kibwa shoko. Niki ndari ano lo sholor Masai. Ore sia yendi namao keshore lawa enjunet enye. Medol modwa lodwa lekaya enjunet enye. Kibala dogi boga niki asida ananga dia or Masani. Mara balgonato gitin. Mara shet. Elaba yana mwibunga yok. Ne mere ndogi na uru yok. E modai nikiata yok. Wenki ba. Wolo. Warmena. Ninyana mutu yok. Finally, Your Excellency, I want to give you apologies from 3 individuals. The governor of Narok called me and said he was out of the country. Yesterday, I spoke to him because students from Eorekule burnt the school. So we're trying to get the fire extinguisher. We stayed up. That's one of the reasons why I was late. He would have been here, but he said he's out of the country. Number 2, your son, one of your boys, Oibo Morintat, is currently recovering from COVID. He was hospitalized for 10 days. He asked me to apologize that he was not here. And finally, Your Excellency, all positions, and this is the only thing that I'll lament here, all positions in the private sector that have been given to the Maasai professionals are shells that have been robbed by other people. We have Kenya Postal Authority, Lekolol, it is a shell. We have National Oil Corporation, Ole Morintat, it is a shell. And in particular, the issue of National Oil Corporation, there is a company called Priscol that stole 9.3 billion shillings from the public. And that is why so many people are coming together to try and take that. We hope that when you become the 5th president, you can be able to implement Article 2265 of the Constitution. I thank you.
Thank you.
We plead, we will support you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mheshimiwa Ledama. Now